Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Facebook Business Portfolio account name. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Facebook app with an account that has admin access to your business. We'll start in Facebook and move into Meta Business Suite, where portfolio details are managed. Open the Facebook app. From the home screen, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left to open the main menu. This is your hub for tools and settings related to your profile and pages. At the top of this menu, select your business page. You'll see the page name near the top. Tap it to switch into the Pages workspace so the right tools appear. Back on the page view, open the menu again by tapping the three lines at the top left. We're heading to the tools that control your business settings. Scroll through the menu and choose Meta Business Suite. This opens Meta's management area for your page and connected assets. If prompted, continue with the same account. If you don't see Meta Business Suite right away, keep scrolling. On some versions, it appears under Professional Tools. The icon and wording can vary slightly by device, but you're looking for Meta's Business Management Hub. Inside Business Suite, tap the three lines at the bottom, right to reveal more options. This expands the full settings list for your business. Next, tap Settings. This section holds account-level preferences, permissions, and business information. In Settings, choose Business Portfolio Info. Here you can see the current portfolio name and other identifying details used across Meta's business tools. Tap Edit. If you don't have the right permissions, you may see a notice. Only admins can change the portfolio name. You can now edit the business portfolio account name. Type the new name exactly as you want it to appear, keeping it consistent with your brand and easy to recognize. Avoid special characters or stylized capitalization that might violate Meta's naming standards. Double-check spelling, then save your changes. In some cases, updates can be reviewed by Meta and may take a little time to display everywhere. Renaming the portfolio does not rename your individual pages. It changes the label for the overall business entity that groups your assets. If you manage more than one page or portfolio, confirm you're editing the correct one before saving. Use a stable internet connection so the update is applied without interruption. That's it. You've navigated from the Facebook app to Business Suite, opened settings, and updated your business portfolio account name. If something doesn't look right after saving, close, and reopen the app, or revisit Business Portfolio Info to confirm the change.